Hi guys, welcome back. So I was solving this room that is super secret tip. So let's start. In this we have to find two flag, that is flag 1 and flag 2, but also for capturing flag 2 we have maybe uh, it is a sort of encryption, so we have to find the encryption key. Okay, so let's proceed. This was actually little hard, so I took help of this write up, but not for all the part. In the part between that we will discuss later. Okay, so let's start with, as usual, our nmap scan. Okay, so here you can see the result of nmap scan. We have two port, 22 and 7777. Okay, which is http and 22 is ssh. So after that, as usual, I opened that website homepage. So there was nothing. Here you can see it's a simple website with no redirection. Here you can say redirect to the home page only. Nothing else, nothing much info. So this was just nothing in the you can say page source and uh, application data. Nothing was there. Then after that I started directory testing. Okay, let's go to the directory testing part. Wait a second. Where is the directory testing? Okay, I think it has been wait a second, let me, okay, no problem. Okay, I think the directory part has maybe closed, but okay, so we can do that again also. Let me check the target. Okay, let's change it. Okay, that we can do this once more. 142 dot 87 and the port is 7777. Okay, and let's change the word list I used was big.txt. I actually searched with common.txt also, but that result in only very less, sorry, only one very less, you can say what, directory, but and when I hunted it was not working, so I again checked with this big.txt and I got one more uh, result, extra, you can say extra result. So let it load. Okay, so till then, yeah, one more thing is here. When I don't know why, but when I run this nmap scan directly, I got only 22 port open. But using Rust scan, I got this port 22 and 7777. I don't know why was this, but so that's why I always run both Rust scan and nmap. Rust scan gives us fast also, and but sometime it misses some port when you can say there are lots of port or the time, or you can say because of speed there is some rate limit or something. So in that case Rust can uh, actually skip some port. That's why I used an nmap for that. But today I don't know why nmap skips this port. Maybe the machine was not on full I don't know. Let's leave that. So here you can see we have this cloud directory. Okay, so let's open it. Here you can see it says download my files. Let's this we are able to download the video, we are able to download the apk also. Okay, let's download this my password file. No, okay, so we are able to download this three things, but not from the secret text, my password, and these all things. Okay, so no problem. After that we have one more page. Let the page, yep. So here you can see debug. So we have actually this debug page also, which here we can actually execute some operations, and but it requires a password, so we need some password. Okay, that we will find later. So here now we can't do anything in this debugger page, so let's move on to cloud page. So let me open the Bob suite repeater. Let's open the request. So here we can't do anything. Okay, I tried basic SQL injection here. So when I was trying SQL injection, it says, let me show you simple one. So it says illegal character found. So actually it have filters for SQL injection, no problem. After that, if this less cloud part, it says, see, I tried to download secret.txt, it says not found. Okay, we know that stuff that other than first three, nothing was able to download. Okay, so after that here you can see, okay, let me undo this stuff. Okay, and so this is actually the image.nff file, so which was which we were able to download here. So now what we can do is we can use maybe search for some files in the admin site, as we know that we can access it. So we can access maybe the file which are not listed here but are there, like app.py or something. We can search for some files. If we let's see if we were able to find it out or not. So app.py was not there. So on testing uh, a lot, I got this some source.py file. Okay, so when I send the request, here you can see I got this full source, okay, of the Flask. So here you can see we have this super secret tip.txt file which have password. So one thing we got to know, like super secret tip.txt, let's copy that, and here I have opened it and we have this password, but it's encrypted. Okay, so after that, here you can see this was the thing which was causing error on SQL injection. Okay, then after that, what we else we have is, let's go. Okay, here you can see if we have to download text file, it says directly we can download. Okay, but return send from directory root part download is okay. Okay, no problem. And return send from directory. Okay, so now second thing, you can see this debug part here. The password is dot get password. If you not user password or debug, return. Okay, this is nothing. Here you can see the encrypted password, debug password dot get encrypted user password. Okay, so debug password, so maybe this is a file, debug password. Okay, so let's save it. Then what else is here? Debug result. Okay, so there is a page debug result also. It was not shown by our this directories. So debug result, we have a page debug result also. Okay, then after that, yes, debug result, and yes. Okay, so okay, here you can see it's running in local import 777. Okay, no problem. So after that, that the find, we have to find the see the password script. So here you can see debug password. So actually I have added a null white here, you can see. So what this does is, this is to bypass that text detection method. Okay, so that we can able to read any file other than text file. So after that, here you can see what this does is, it just, there is uh, get encrypted return, okay, XOR UTF-8 method. Okay, and the password is I am. Okay, no problem. So we got the thing here. Okay, so now we can actually decode that stuff. Let's go to cybersecurity. Okay, so second, I think this is not the thing which, I'm finding. Wait a second. Let's duplicate it. Okay, let's remove this part here and let's go to buff suit. Copy that password. Repeater here and copy this password. Okay, I think I have written a script for that, but no problem. We can do XOR description from here also. And the key was, I think, was I am. Let me confirm. Okay. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. Okay. Maybe there is some problem. Yeah. So, yep. One thing. Wait a second. Let's go back to VS Code script here. XOR.py. Okay. Try.py. Yes. So here you can see I just did that. Okay, where is that script? Yeah, so this is encrypted script, so I just created opposite of that to decode it. So first we have to decode from UTF-8 also. Okay, so when I run this script, I got that password, that is I am debug. Okay, so now we have password for this debug page. Okay, let's go to the debug page. Here, yes. So now when I paste this password here, okay, let's copy that. When I paste this here, let's select here. It says debug statement executed. Okay, so it means something is being executed. And the one more thing that we know is there was an template file which we saw earlier. That was I guess debug something. Wait a second. I think I have opened that. Yes, so there was a template debug result .html. So after that, when I open here, you can see okay, we will come to this part earlier why I have used this bracket here. So that part is where I search. So here there was page debug result, and what I did is it was saying unauthorized. So I just copied this session cookies after doing this running this debug statement, and copied that and pasted it here in debug result. And what else I did is I let me show you here. So on this, when I run this, so it says unauthorized and also, so it says everything made in home. We don't like intruder. So that means they have are doing this all things in localhost. So what I did is I changed the host to this, and here also I added this X forwarded for. So what in every backend the user checks for the host verification. What they do is they check the this X forwarded for you can say tag, and if it matches the host, so they um think it as like localhost. So what this does is they will think like this is as we have verified this X forwarded for to this, so the backend will think that the request is coming from localhost. So this was actually the vulnerability we have to find out. Okay, so when I run this here, I got the result. First of all, I was just getting 1337 into 1337, but here when I use these two brackets, so this thing I actually, here you can see through this write up. Okay, so here you can see I were not getting anything, but then it says let's try the classic SSTI. So actually this is server side template injection vulnerability. So we have to use this two curly brackets. So in the title, so here okay, so hint in the title room. Okay, I don't know where, but okay, no problem. So after this I got to know that it was able to execute the result. Now we have actually something which is executing the result. Here you can see. So after that, uh, The server-side template injection vulnerability, there is an article here in Medium where it tells how to exploit this by using this class MRO something. I don't know this much, but here we have to find something called this subprocess.popen, and then using that subprocess.popen we are able to run a system command. Like here you can see we have to find that subclass, and then after that we have using this command you can see this when here when we run this id we got the user id. It means like it's like a system command. Okay, so we were able to read system command. Then after that what we can do is we can create a reverse shell script, and then using this command here we can just get the reverse shell here. Okay, so this you can also read by yourself, server side template injection vulnerability, how to exploit. So first you have to find that system subprocess.popen, then using that you can run. First you have to figure out the command to run you can say that uh, system commands like id who am I or something else, and if it's working then just instead of that use cookie, that reverse shell method. Okay, so then you will get the shell. So in this question also same thing happen. uh, Let me show you in the pub suit here. After getting the result, this is the cookie which we copied from here. Okay, wait, sorry, here. So why we copied the cookie from here? Because we know that this uh, that slash gweb part is now verified. Okay, so the cookie this is different from unverified one because we have that password thing. Okay, so that's why we are using that cookie. And after that, okay, so here you can see, yep, so I have tried this different things here. You can see that part. Okay, so let me show you the first of all this okay, debug result. So here this is nothing. Okay, this is the actually the reverse shell cookie part. Here you can see what is this. This is actually the part. What I did is I just uh, first encoded that part, the reversal script, that is best whatever you can take from this online reversal generator. Here you can see I just decoded it base 64, and here you can see this part, and then just the same command. After running that I copied this cookie and pasted it here, and after pasting it I got my reversal. So this is the step you have to do. You have to just first uh, here base encode that basic reversal script, and then give it to this part here, the cookie, and then it will provide you with that reversal. And after getting the reversal, here is the step after that. So we have, wait a second, I think that flag part is also hidden. We got actually the flag. Okay, okay. I think many part is uh, hiding, so I think we have to do that reversal part again. Okay, so no problem. Let's netcat, and the port was 4444. Let me hit that again. This part, if it works, because I think we have to generate the cookie again, or it's working. I don't think it's working. Wait, let's check the room is not expired. Okay, no, so we can, what we can do is here, this we can run this again. I don't know why I'm not getting the response. Let's wait a while. Okay, I think I have used port 777. Let me see the port. Okay, this is not that stuff. It's not working. It's not working. I'm gonna try to run something else. But this is also not running. Okay. I don't know why anything is not working here. Okay, it says timeout. Okay, I think we have to capture that. Okay, no problem. Let's start from here. It's 21 minutes are already passed. Okay, no problem. Let me go here. So yes, that's here. Copy that stuff. So this is actually the part. Yep, that reversal part. Okay, so let's send it to repeater, and then I need a cookie. The cookie part I will get from here. Let's click download. Okay. Let's just no, sorry, the cookie part I will get from, wait a second, let's go to repeater here, that we have this, let's send this here, should run here. I should get the cookie part. Okay, why is it not working? I don't know. Forward this, let's forward this. Website is not loading. Wait a second. 10 142.87. Okay, is that something is with this? Okay, wait a second, let me change my network. Maybe this is because of this OpenVPN stuff. Let's start again and let's set empty. It's just now when I go to here, is it loading or not? Still, let's load that part. What is happening here? I don't know. Is this happening loading? This isn't loading. Why? I don't know. So reload this. Wait, if the host is working, then why these all are not loading? Okay, so let's go ahead. So maybe there is some error. So after that, here you can see, yeah, just you will be inside this I am user, and you can just get that flag directly, flag1.txt. There's nothing. And after that, on getting, let's go here. There was this secret tip.txt file. We will come to this later. Then I just do line phase stuff here, and what I get is here there were two cron jobs running. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, down and down files with no, I think cron jobs are, yes, these are here. Where is it? Let me this here. Okay, so here you can see we have two cron jobs running, one with user root and one with F30s. Okay, so these are site check and health check. So after that, here, uh, after getting this stuff, what I did is set. I think everything is gone from here. Okay. So I think I can't do anything here. So after getting that stuff, here you can see what I did is uh, using that first of all this part here we will be exploiting that we have these two of them that are, wait a second, here you can see go to cron tabs. So here you can see we have this health check and site check. So first of all, here you can see in this binary it run instead of doing curl, it what it does is it runs the command with bash. Here you can see bash slc and then cat here, and it also hasn't mentioned the path of cat. So what we can do is we can exploit this by creating a cat in temp directory. So here I just run this echo that you can say not this one, this here you can see I guess echoed that reversal script. So this is actually ng-rock reversal. So I just using my own IP here, I just reverse that in you can see cat, then gave it executable permission, and in home of this F30 there is a dot profile uh, file which you can edit. So I just edit the path here to slash temp so that it can directly access that cat command and execute this one. So after running this, I got our root. So here you can see F30 cell. Okay. So after getting this F30, uh, I just first checked this site check. Actually it was actually not this, actually it was just this URL and was getting a file, and we have editable permission. So what I did is I just copied this flag2.txt to our home. Okay, so after some time, here you can see when I getted that flag2.txt, I got this some sort of encrypted text. Okay, then after that again what I did a thing is that I, instead of flag.txt, actually there was a secret.txt, I think if you remembered here. So there was a secret.txt. Let me show you if the page is loaded. I think you remember. Okay, so everything is showing error. So uh okay, so maybe there is something in this write-up. Yes, so the part I used in write-up is here, as I already told. So secret.txt part I will show you. Okay, where is that? Here in this space that we viewed earlier, there is a secret.txt file, as you have seen. So I just getted that secret.txt file here, and after getting it, after some time, I got this text. Okay, then after that what I did is I just converted that text to hex, and then using cybersef, cyberfi is my channel name. So using cybersef, I just use that hex encoded here, and then using that, now that came in work, that is the, that was what I was talking about, that secret text file. Okay, so here what it says is don't forget it's always about root and something. So I just tried key as root, and I got this something one a key here, but the end two characters are XX. First of all, I thought I got the right, you can say, decoded key, but this XX was actually not working, so we have to just actually change that. Okay, so actually we have to change that to make this readable. Okay, so what we can do is, what I did is, I created a script here. To here we have the hex data, here we have the key part which we know, and we have to add this random two digit number. Okay, so I just added this as suffix from 1 to 100 to this here, and here you can see I have this key all here tested, and then you can see the sentence which is readable. So this one, as you can read here, the 86 one, it is full, you can say, readable, like cron jobs, file, input, curl. So this is actually the correct flag. Now what you can do is, you can just, here is this 86 is the key part, add to the end to last two digit, and then we have the flag which we got. So that was the question. So the part here which was really tough was this one, like where I take the help, this the part which I have never done this. So this, what is server side template SSTI vulnerability exploitation, was the part which was tough, but not tough, but it took time, because maybe I have done it first time, that's why. But as we already have all the data online, we can, using help of this article and this write-up, I got there. So I learned a lot from this problem. So that's all for today. Thank you.